Here's a short video on how you can use ChatGPT or whatever your AI preference is to help you generate ideas on how you can incorporate Excel into your standards. I know it's easier for math than biology or art or Spanish, or even English, all those different ones. We can use it, AI, to help us brainstorm. So I went ahead and drafted one. So I've asked it to please brainstorm ideas on how to implement Excel into the Indiana math standard, stated the standard, while incorporating the 6 Excel skills of, if I hold shift and enter, it won't send it through. So just to format it a little bit better, and I went ahead and listed from the email that I sent you, copy paste all of those in there and just reformatted it. In the end, I then asked them to make sure the assignment was geared towards 10th and 11th grade students, since that's who I would be using it for in an Algebra 2 class. And now I let it do its magic. It brainstorms for me. So let's see what it's going to give me for that specific standard. So it tells me what students are going to need to do. They collect 2 sets of data from 2 basketball teams, batting averages from 2 baseball players, or times from 2 sprinters. So something maybe that's a little more geared towards what they prefer. And then it tells me how I could do those skills as well. Comparing gas prices, streaming services data. Sometimes you can even ask your AI to figure out what that data would be. Sometimes that's a harder thing to find, is the data. If you can give them the data, that makes things a little bit easier. Weather comparison, personal budget comparison. So it's given me a couple of examples. Let's say that I like the streaming services data. If I take this one, I could even ask AI, please elaborate on the design of this assignment idea. And then I just feed it back its thing. I don't even care about the format. So now it's breaking it down, telling me what my objective would be. It's telling me part 1, how I could collect the data. Look at that. It's giving me data. If I want to see more, I could make up random numbers, or I could have my students do a quick little Google form and actually see what they're saying. It tells me how to go about the Excel setup, how I would go about calculating those things, even tells me the formulas. Oop, there's that absolute reference that some of us struggle with. How to go about charts and displays, formatting the data, the usability of using freeze. So it broke it down even with that, and then tells me how we could even have them turn it in. Even some teacher notes on the back end here. So AI is a wonderful tool to help you brainstorm, and if you need more, you just have to tell it to give you more, and it will. So please let me know if you have any questions, but hopefully that's helpful.